Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at signing documents that are handwritten. Now, we usually will get printed or typed documents, but in this case, this is a document someone has handwritten and we've turned into a PDF and uploaded into our session. Just like with any document, what we're really focused on is confirming the identity of the signer and the validity of the document. Here we have a notice from a tenant to a landlord letting them know that they're going to be leaving the premises. All we have to do is add some notarial language to the document so we can sign it. And May has already signed this, and that is okay. So let's just add the notarial language that we have to. So what I'm going to do is add the acknowledgement language in a text box. So here I'm going to put T as a hotkey, and I'm going to put the notarial acknowledgement language. And I'm just going to move it over here and make this a little bit bigger for myself. Now, in addition to this language, I still need to put the venue. So I'm going to add another text box here, and I'm going to put State of New York, County of Orange, where I'm sitting as a notary right now, and I'm going to move that here. Now, this can be a little awkward, especially if you don't have a lot of space to write, but it still is valid. So here I want to edit this notarial language so that it is accurate. So I'm going to go here on the 12th day of February, because this is when it's being signed, in the year 2025. Before me, the undersigned notary public personally appeared, and it's going to be May. And I want to check her last name again. It's Blanchard. Okay, and so this is the information we need for our notarial language. And so now of course, am going to give the oath to May, check her identification and everything like that, and then I can sign and seal this. So what I'm going to do is press S for my signature. Now I'm going to adopt this signature, and I can place that here. And I can also drop my seal by pressing N, this hotkey. And I can put this anywhere on the document. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.